Listen to this conversation between John and Anna. John starts this conversation.
Hello. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
I'm John. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, John. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Italy.
Wow, Italy sounds amazing. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a software engineer.
That's interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's challenging but fun. How about you? Do you like teaching?
I love it. It's very rewarding to help students learn.
Now John is going to ask you questions. Please answer them. Hello. What's your name? I'm from Canada. How about you? Wow. What do you do? I'm a software engineer. It's challenging but fun. How about you? Do you like your job?
Listen to this conversation again. Could you answer the questions?